Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So, just starting off with a weekly chart on the S&P 500, you can see we are going nowhere. Pullbacks are bought. It is looking extremely overbought at the moment, and a healthy pullback would be very, very nice, because that could be just a great opportunity to buy into it, and then you can sort of relax and leave your position in for a bit. If we come down to the levels that we need to trade today, and looking at 8 hour first, nothing's really changed. We are sideways. Buyers are coming in, and that is very, very evident if you look at those tails. So the buyers are definitely coming into the market at this level. Why? I'm not 100% sure. We are extremely overbought at the moment, but markets can stay irrational for way longer than you can stay solvent. I don't know who said that, but it is so true. If we look at the 3 hour, every pullback has been bought. I think the key thing to take out here is that we have got a higher low. We've been having low lows, and then we've got a higher low, and we've taken out this level here, which gives us a higher high. Now the question is this level going to hold? So 38.14. I wouldn't be surprised to see 3800 be tagged again, to be honest. And let's just put that in. We've been battling with it for spot on. So I wouldn't be too surprised to see that level come back. It'll still give us a higher low, and that would be an area for me to buy into, definitely. Okay, so at the moment, I wouldn't be wanting to short this. I think you'd probably find you're going to have some kind of a squirt, or it's going to ignore that level. Probably difficult. Typical price action, especially when we're in full swing, would be right where we are now, reject this, come back, find support, and then push up to the gap. That would be normal price action. But we are in the Asian session. In Asian session, there's low volumes. So those are the multiple levels we need to pay attention to. And once we break through this, you can start bringing up your measured move. First measured move will be this whole range, and let's just do that there. So first measured move is pretty much going to be from the bottom of the range to the top of the range, and I'm just going to do that to be conservative. That's our first level. Okay, so that gives us 38.65, and straight after that there's a measured move here, so you can get it again, just be a little bit conservative. There's the next move, and then we have the bigger consolidation, and that's 39.11, and then we have the bigger consolidation, which is this big consolidation here, which takes us to 4,000. Okay, I think 4,000 is ultimately where we're going to head in the long run, but at the moment, obviously, we don't want to just get in and wait for that level, because we're going to make a lot more money by buying the dips and selling out, and buying the dips and selling out. Okay, so yeah, so for me at the moment, this is still very much range bound. I would be wanting to buy off the bottom. Whether we make it all the way back down here again to 37.85, that would just indicate that we're still very much in the range. But 3800 would probably be a fairly decent Fibonacci level, I think. The 61.8 is going to be just above it, probably at 38.06, and 38.06 is also another area which was flirted with quite a bit through the past couple of days. Anyway, we are going nowhere. We are going sideways. There's no reason to be chasing longs at this level where we are. I'm not interested in the shorts, because we are technically in an uptrend, so I'm not even interested in taking that scalp. So for me, I wait for the pullbacks and get in long. There, it is healthy enough. I mean, you can make a good 200, 300 points depending how deep the pullback is. So, and as far as I'm concerned, 100 points is all I need per trade. So any setup that gives me 100 points or more is a decent trade. Okay, so that's kind of me today. I think just let's finish off on the 15 just to make sure that there's nothing else we're missing. Okay, so 15-minute is obviously the one you want to be playing when you're in a range like this. You can see there's clear structure close to a level. You know, you can get in, you can have a fairly wide stop loss and rally to the top of the range. Any pullback, buy, first level, get out, buy, get out. So that's pretty much, you can end up doing quite a few trades in a day. But that is the way to do it at the moment. Wait for the pullback and we'll take it from there. So I haven't really put any trades in on the S&P this week. I think we did one early in the week which got stopped out, put another one in, made a little bit of money there, but really just sitting on the sides waiting for this to finish. And that's all I'm really waiting for right now. So as soon as we're out of the sideways motion, we'll definitely take a look at it. Okay, so just summary quickly. So a 38.14 or 38.15 is the first area. There is a gap there as well. So you're looking for price to come back onto that. I'd also be looking for price to come back to 3800. So 3800 has not really been tested. We've broken it. You can see how many times we broke it there, we broke it there. So I would like to see a retest. In other words, pull back onto it, test it, and then bounce. That would be a fantastic area for me to be long. Stop would be below this swing low here because we're in a range, so bring it down to this level here. So fairly wide stop, so make sure that your position size matches your stop loss. Yeah, that's it for me on S&P. Don't forget to give us a comment if you've got any ideas. Appreciate the ideas. And if you haven't subscribe. We do this every single day. Anyway, hope it helps, and we will catch up with you later. Cheers for now.